More bloodshed in CKED Westmoreland as a Manning's High School student is murdered. One dead, two shot and injured in Savanna-la-mar. Man murdered in front of his common-law wife, while a jerk chicken vendor has been killed and a peanut vendor shot and injured.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One man was shot and killed, while two other persons, including a female, were shot and injured in the Russia district of Savanna-la-mar on Sunday, September 16. Dead is Davian Malcolm, a 20-year-old unemployed man of Ricketts Street. Reports from the Savanna-la-mar police are that about 8:30 p.m., Malcolm and two other persons were standing at a shop when it was alleged that a motor vehicle drove up, from which two men alighted with guns and opened fire at them. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Malcolm, along with a male and a female, were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where Malcolm was pronounced dead and the others were admitted. 16-year-old Shamar Tomlinson was shot and killed by a group of armed men at his home in Crowder District, Grangeville, Westmoreland on Monday, September 17. Reports by the Morgansbridge police are that about 2:40 a.m. Shamar was in his bed when a group of armed men kicked open the front door to the house. Shamar was chased by the men to the outside and held. He was shot multiple times in his upper body and died on the spot. Shamar was a 5th form student at the Manning's High School. A 32-year-old man was shot and killed by 3 armed men in the presence of his common-law wife in Cooleytown, Fort Williams, Westmoreland on Monday morning, September 17. He has been identified as Ronaldo Reed, O.C. Boom, a farmer of Cooleytown. Reports by the Withorn police are that about 2:30 a.m., Reed and his common-law wife, who recently arrived from Canada, were at home when 3 armed men with high-powered weapons kicked open the front door to the house. The men then demanded money from the couple and proceeded to rob them of cash and valuables. The men then opened gunfire hitting Reed. He was shot multiple times and was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A 35-year-old jerk chicken vendor of West End in Negril was shot and killed by gunmen along a section of the Norman Manley Boulevard on Monday morning, September 17. Dead is Wayne Sweetland, while a 34-year-old peanut vendor who was also shot and injured is presently at hospital in serious condition. Reports from the Negril police are that about 4:20 a.m., Reed and the peanut vendor had just finished their day's sales and were packing up when they were approached by 2 men traveling on a motorcycle. The men brandished handguns and attempted to rob both vendors, who ran and were shot by the gunmen. The gunmen then escaped on motorcycles. The police were summoned, and upon arrival, both victims were rushed to the Savanna-la-mar hospital, where Sweetland was pronounced dead and the other vendor admitted in serious condition.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.